How to fix Me at the Red Walmart app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Me at the Red Walmart application is not working, you need to check for your VPN connection. This is because Walmart application is not available for every region. So if you're trying to use Me at the Red Walmart app via a VPN connection, there might be an issue why you are facing such problem. If that is not the issue, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap open your phone settings, scroll down and navigate to apps. Head over to all apps, tap on the search icon to search for Me at the Red Walmart. In here, firstly tap on the force stop button and tap on OK for confirmation. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. By this way, you'll be able to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Next, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you need to switch into a better network or a cellular data. If not, enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. By this way, you'll be able to fix your Me at the Red Walmart app not working. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.